Living in the heart of it all, welcome to 228 Mallorca Way, situated on a prime block in San Francisco's Marina district. A stunning and beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath condominium offering approximately 1,800 square feet of living space with a wonderful layout and spacious rooms. Newly installed wide plank, white oak, hardwood floors and contemporary lighting give the home a stylish, modern feel. The living room with a large window and fireplace opens to the formal dining room with dramatic lighting. Off the dining room and adjacent to the kitchen is a charming patio, the perfect size for a barbecue, an herb garden, or enjoying your favorite coffee. Fit for a chef, the high-end gourmet kitchen features durable quartz countertops, a Viking cooktop, Thermador oven and warming drawer, sub-zero refrigerator, Miele dishwasher, a built-in microwave, and eat-in breakfast nook. The abundant cabinetry with glass doors is perfect for displaying your favorite crystal and china. For all the wine lovers, there's a built-in wine refrigerator. Conveniently located just off the kitchen is a laundry room with storage. The hallway leading to the bedrooms is perfect for artwork or fun collages. The 3 spacious bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are situated at the rear of the property away from the living quarters. The primary bedroom has built-in shelves and storage on each side of the bed, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with warm, soothing tones, a double vanity with Caesar stone countertop, soft lighting, and shower over tub. Enhancing this wonderful home even more is 2-car parking situated on the south side of the garage. Interior access and a security gate provide convenience and peace of mind. This amazing location provides so many conveniences and options, including the shops and restaurants of Chestnut Street, the new Presidio Tunnel Tops Park and Playground that just opened, Crissy Field and the Marina Green, the Presidio, Union Street, plus there's public transportation and easy access to the Golden Gate Bridge for weekend getaways to Marin and wine country. Thank you for taking the tour of this incredible home. For more information or to schedule a private showing, call, text, or email me.